Hey, what is going on, everybody? I hope you're having a great night. I just wanted to make a real quick video to let you know what I have been working on this evening. So I'm working on securing the Frasier project so it can go on display, trying to prevent people from messing with anything and taking stuff and whatever. So we've got the top secured with these brackets. They're going to be removable when I don't want them. When they're not on display, I'll just take them off. But otherwise, when they are, they secure the top to the Frasier project. Also on the front, we have this piece of plexiglass here attached with a piano hinge. Now on the front part of the hinge, I have attached it with epoxy, but on the top part of the hinge, I have attached it with these screws and nuts so that this whole front piece is removable. We don't have to keep it on there permanently. I can take it off and all you'll see are just the three little screw holes. It will be secured at the bottom with these brackets. There's already screw holes under there for them. They're just going to sit right like that. There's going to be three of them, one there, one in the center, and then one at that end so that people can't get their hands and fingers up there. So this piano hinge, I'm not a huge fan of having that on the front of the project, which is why I've allowed for it to be removable when it's not on display. But there are several reasons I chose to go this route. So I could have just put this on there and secured the front to the top and then ran a bead of clear silicone like the corner on a fish tank, and it would have kind of been a seamless edge there. There's three reasons I chose not to do that. One, I thought that this part would be pretty weak and eventually work its way loose. The other reason I chose not to do it was because then I wouldn't have the option of removing this front if I wanted to just have it on the top. If I did want to remove it, I would have to cut away the silicone and it'd be a pain in the butt and it would leave an ugly silicone streak on there. And then the third obvious reason is if something falls over, if somebody bumps a table at the exhibit and it shakes and I need to get in there to set something up. If I would have attached this permanently to the top, I would have to remove this entire piece. And you can see how thick this piece is right here. This is a pretty stout piece on the top there. It's very heavy and awkward and all of that good stuff. Plus, I don't want to keep moving it and damage that. I want it just to stay in place. So with the piano hinge, that allows me to lift it up, do whatever I've got to do in there, and then I can put it right back into place, screw those brackets, the three screws back into the bottom, and she is secure again. So that's what I've been working on. I know the piano hinge isn't probably the most aesthetically pleasing option, but that's the way I chose to go with it because it makes the most sense for me. It's the least pain in the butt. If I'm there at the fair and something's knocked over, like I said, I can just lift this front up, do what I've got to do, and go from there. I don't have to worry about removing the entire top and maybe disrupting or damaging someone else's exhibit, and this is fully removable, so I don't always have to look at it. It's not a permanent piece, but I just wanted to kind of fill you guys in on what I've been doing. That's where we're at. Hope you have a great night. Thanks for watching.